everyone, I am Sajad from Paragon Academy Advanced Level.
Hi everyone, my name is Laksh and I am a student of advanced level at Paragon Academy, Badin. Hello students, I am a student at advanced level from Paragon Academy, Badin, and my name is Natik Kumar.
Hello students, I am Natik Kumar from Paragon Academy Badin at advanced level. Today we are just going to discuss about one very diverse topic is that what's the difference between government sector and the private sector. So what's your opinion is?
So my opinion is that the government sector and private sector. So in government sector are in come the schools, government hospitals, and government etc. And I give one example about government schools. They are in have no facilities, no proper education, and some teachers are corrupt. So these are problems. And when we go to private sectors or a hospital or a school, they give me all facilities. They serve the children, and the teachers are not corrupt. They are intelligent. That's my opinion about private sector and government sector.
It's very good.
Yeah, in my opinion, that's government sector are good than private sectors. There are so many government hospitals and government schools that I am already study in government school. That there are so many teachers come in our school that they are well educated. They are masters in their subjects. There are now the multimedia projectors and new material like that chemicals and everything come in our school. That's in my opinion that government school is better than private schools. Now I'm going to talk about private schools. There is no facilities in private schools. Like that, there is no good teachers. They are not well educated. They are not masters in their subjects. Like they are educated like in 10th class or 12th class. That's Now I'm going to the government hospitals. Like the government hospitals are more better than private hospitals. Now the government hospitals have so many facilities like the free medicines and free treatment. There are so many new wards, so hospitals made by government, like the new doctors, well educated and master like FCPS and in their field. And like a private hospitals, there were no any facilities in private hospitals. Is my opinion. Yeah, your point is very good, but I tell you get primary from private school. So what's your opinion about private school? When you are when you in first one kg, first nursery, second, third, fourth, fifth, you are get education from private school. Yeah, I already get education in private school. There is no any facilities like that. There is no fan. There is no fans. They are not working, and there are teachers like that study at 10th class or 12th class. Okay, the brother tell is right, and brother you tell about.
So I study at government school. So I think the government school are good because at the primary I study at government and so school are good, better.
Yeah.
And so now the private sector are not good because they are having no good teacher because these students are the university pass and they go and they teach in private schools. They have no any job, so they do their job.
Okay.
Thank you. In my opinion, is that government school I think better than the private school. You know that when we see the private school, they aren't good facilities. Sometimes ago in the government, they are also something. But when you see that in the government, there are some good changes day by day. They are good laboratories. They are good laboratories. You know, they are good library for study, and they are very well educated teacher, and even they are master teachers in our government school, and they are good facility. They are good ground. Whereas the private school, they aren't. they doesn't have any good laboratories, library to study and book. There aren't any good teachers. They are just in this what we call that. They are just taking the money. They are like any shop that they are taking the money like that. So our responsibility to change the society into the government sector. And the second thing is that in the government sector is that private hospital and where is the government hospital. When you see that in this hospital there are good facilities, they are good doctor, they are good I mean many things. When you where is in the private hospital they are, we know that the main problem is that the treatment, we know that if we have good medicine it doesn't matter, but if your attitude, if our character, if our the way of treat is very well, so we can doing these things as well as. So our responsibility to change the society and make and going to the government sector to as well as that way is a
You
person.
visit in this hospital?
Yeah, they are good facilities. And brother who has been
And I'm new at the Badin, and I hear this name in this hospital.
yeah, in
And
that
this hospital,
hospital.
not a in this
It's,
hospital.
it is our
Yeah,
responsibility to
I heard this
continue
name
this
first time.
sector.
We are new at Badin. Okay.
They are
Wind up.
very good facilities. You know that they are very medicines that we can take these
It
all.
is our responsibility to clean government sector.
Thank you all.
Thank you all guys.
Thank you so much. Inshallah.
Thank you Raja to share your precious time. Thank you Natik. Thank you. Thank you Mr. Sajad. Okay.